In this video, I'll be showing you how to form the 6x6x6 cube as quickly and easily as possible. This method also perfectly aligns all of the polarities in the magnets, making it as easy as possible to cut your cube as possible. You should be able to do a single-handed cut without too much hassle. What you're going to start with is just a regular ball of magnets. You're going to want to flatten it out into a single layer. And then once you have that, you want to drag it all out into one big long line of magnets. Now that we have our long string of magnets, the next step is to take the end of it, and we're going to make a cylinder which is 12 magnets in circumference. So what you want to do is count off 12 magnets, so that's there, and just take the end and attach it to the 12th magnet. Now that's going to make one row, and so we're going to start making the second row. And so what you want to do is make a U-turn on the direction that the string was heading, and then start to form the second layer. Then when you connect, do another U-turn and head back in the opposite direction. And just keep doing that until you have completely used up all of your magnets. It's important that you change direction because it will make sure that the polarities of the magnets are heading in the correct direction as well, and that will make it much easier to split the cube after you've formed it. Now that we have our cylinder, which is 12 magnets in circumference and 18 rows long, what you want to do is take your pinky finger, insert it into the end, and then count in 6 rows, which is 1/3 of the cylinder, and just with your thumbnails crack it open like that and pinch off 1/3 of the cylinder. Now with the remaining 2/3, what you want to do is break that in half, which is 6 rows on either side, and leave 2 of the connections remaining, and then just fold it in on itself like that. Once you have this shape, you want to compress it down so that you form a 6x6x4 block. Then take your remaining 1/3, line up the two of the magnets on the cylinder and the 2 center back magnets and clip them together, then fold it down like so, and so you have a shape like this, and then crush it down. Now that you've finished forming the cube, the next step is to try cutting the cube. To see my tutorial on how to do this, check out my other video.